Welcome to the Kidney Disease Solution Program, a revolutionary program that has helped thousands of people around the world to heal themselves from kidney disease. Our program was born out of the passion to spread awareness and help people after a successful recovery journey of a kidney disease patient. For a limited time, you can save $72 on this life-changing program. It normally retails for $159, but you can avail it for only $87. And it even comes with a money-back guarantee. The Kidney Disease Solution Program includes a range of resources such as a Kidney Disease Solution e-book, a kidney health grocery shopping list, and access to various guides and meditations. The 4 pillars of our program, which make it work effectively, include scientifically researched treatments, traditional Chinese medicine for kidney health, a comprehensive diet plan, and dealing with the unique cause of each patient's kidney disease. Fiona Chin, a kidney health expert, medical researcher, and the brain behind the Kidney Disease Solution Program, brings her extensive experience and holistic approach to this program. It's not just about treating the disease, but also about treating the person. She emphasizes the connection between the mind and body in the healing process. This isn't just any program. The Kidney Disease Solution has been around since 2008 and has helped over 25,000 people improve their kidney function and quality of life. We have numerous testimonials to prove it. The Kidney Disease Solution features a comprehensive 243-page information-packed guide and provides a holistic approach in dealing with kidney diseases, which you can start immediately. Order today and get 3 free bonuses valued at $519, including a fast-track guide on kidney diet essentials, unlimited updates, and support. Don't miss this chance. Get your life back. Heal with the help of the Kidney Disease Solution Program. Product link in the description. Order today. Thank you for watching the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.